Ladies and gentlemen, friends of the A Collegian with Purpose project, I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. 1 year ago today, what stood before us was merely an idea, a concept, a dream. Today, I'm proud to say we're celebrating our first anniversary, and that dream has manifested as a beacon of growth, transformation, and purpose. In this brief span of just 1 year, we have not only given birth to two enlightening books, A Collegian with Purpose and UnEarthing You. Both will empower countless souls, but we've also connected voices from across the globe, 70 plus interviews, diving deep into the wellsprings of knowledge, life, and purpose. Each conversation, each page turned, has been a testament to our commitment to enlightenment and self-improvement. Yet, our journey continues. We have taken our mission a step further. In September 2023, you will have access to the UnEarthing You Workshop, a life-changing experience. As we look towards December 2023, we're thrilled about our upcoming book launch and award ceremony, which will be a true gathering of brilliant minds and curious hearts, all in pursuit of a shared vision, their purpose. We have forged a business-to-business agreement with Victorious U Press to publish 12 books over the next 3 years. But what truly marks our success isn't just our milestones, but the course outline we have developed for the A Collegian with Purpose Learning Institute, which will come online in 2024. We're shaping a future where self-improvement isn't just a luxury, but a right. Not just an aspiration, but a norm. As I speak to you today, I am reminded of a quote. The purpose of life is not just to make yourself happy, but to make others happy as well. A Collegian with Purpose was born from that very essence. Today, we're not just a company, we're a movement. And every book, interview, course, and conference is a step towards creating a world that thrives in personal growth and the fulfillment of purpose. So here's to the dreamers, the doers, and the believers. Here's to a year of purpose and many more to come. Thank you and blessings always.